morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the oxidation reaction. So what is meant by oxidation? Now this word indicates that the reaction is related with the oxygen. Exactly, it is correct. So oxygen is what? Oxygen. The symbol of oxygen is O and molecular formula of oxygen is O2 because it is the diatomic molecule and this oxygen exists in the atmosphere in the form of diatoms. See here. So what is meant by oxidation? Oxidation reaction, the reaction in which gain of oxygen is called oxidation or loss of hydrogen is also called as oxidation reaction. Gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Gain of oxygen is called oxidation or loss of hydrogen is also oxidation reaction. Example, oxidation reaction example. For example, sodium react with oxygen to form a sodium oxide. It is also oxidation reaction. Sodium combined with oxygen to form a oxidation reaction. Sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is there. Why it is called as oxidation reaction? Because gain of oxygen is there. See here, there are two reactant, two substance on the left hand side. Sodium only one is there. Another reactant is the oxidation, oxygen, and in product oxidation reaction is there. Only one product is there. Sodium get oxidized to form a sodium oxide. To take another example, for example, potassium also react with oxygen to form a potassium oxide. This is a potassium. Oxidation reaction. Take another example. For example, magnesium react with oxygen to form a magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. It is also oxidation reaction. It is one example of oxidation reaction also. Gain of oxygen is there. Now take another example. For example, copper also react with oxygen to form a copper oxide. It is also example of the oxidation reaction. Iron reacted with oxygen to form a Fe2, ferrous oxide. See here, all these example of the oxidation reaction. In this reaction, gain of oxygen just takes place and different type of oxidized product are formed, and this reaction is nothing but the oxidation reaction. So, what is meant by reduction reaction? Reduction of reduction means what? Oxidation, gain of oxygen, loss of hydrogen. And reduction, gain of hydrogen or loss of gain of hydrogen is called reduction reaction, or loss of oxygen we can call it as also reduction reaction or loss of oxygen. The opposite to the oxidation reaction. In oxidation, gain of oxygen, reduction, gain of hydrogen. In oxidation, loss of hydrogen, loss of oxygen. Example, it is the unsaturated compound, alkene means ethene. The name of this compound is ethene. Eth, it indicates that this compound containing two carbon atom, and this En indicates that this compound containing double bond. So it is the ethene, unsaturated compound. Now reacted with the hydrogen, unsaturated compound get converted into the saturated ethane. Ethane, single bond is there. This compound containing single bond, saturated compound. Ethene unsaturated combined with hydrogen means gain of hydrogen is there. Gain of hydrogen, reduction. It is the example of the reduction reaction. So oxidation, reduction. So what is meant by redox reaction? Redox. Redox reaction. Red ox. Red for reduction. Red means reduction and ox means oxidation. Red for reduction, ox means oxidation. So what is the definition of this redox reaction? The reaction in which reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. So what is the definition? The reaction in which the reaction in which reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously. The reaction in which reduction oxidation takes place simultaneously is called redox reaction. Reduction, oxidation means gain of oxygen, loss of oxygen, gain of hydrogen, loss of hydrogen. See here. For example, CuO, copper oxide plus H2. Copper oxide react with hydrogen. What will happen? Cu plus H2O. See here. CuO reactor. In the product only Cu. What will happen? Loss of oxygen is there. Loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen is what? Loss of oxygen, reduction. Reaction is nothing but the reduction. H2 in product H2O, the gain of oxygen is called oxidation reaction. This is the example of redox reaction. See here. Loss of oxygen, reduction. Gain of oxygen, oxidation. Means the reaction in which reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously. That reaction is nothing but the redox reaction. Take another example. Magnesium oxide H2. Magnesium oxide reacted with the hydrogen. Magnesium oxide, it is a metallic oxide, and generally these metallic oxide are basic in nature. See here, what will happen? Magnesium plus H2O. Magnesium oxide only magnesium. Loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen means reduction. H2, see here, H2O, gain of oxygen. Gain of oxygen, oxidation. Reduction and oxidation, these two reactions which takes place in the only one reaction, that reaction is nothing but the redox reaction. Take another one example. Third example. Now these Fe2O3 which are reacted with the carbon monoxide, what will happen? Fe2O3 which are reacted with the 3CO, what will happen? 2Fe, and this oxygen, 3 oxygen is there, CO2. Now balance this reaction. Carbon dioxide, carbon, CO, 3 oxygen, and this 6 oxygen is there. Correct? 3 carbon balance. See here. These ferrous oxide which are reacted with this carbon monoxide forming Fe. Loss of oxygen, reduction, and this gain of oxygen, oxidation. Means the reaction in which reduction and oxidation takes place Simultaneously, that reaction is nothing but the redox reaction. Reduction, yeah, oxidation. See here. So, what is the difference between oxidation and reduction reaction? We have to see the difference between. The first point. In oxidation, gain of oxygen. Oxidation reaction, gain of oxygen. In reduction, opposite, loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen. Second point, loss of hydrogen. Loss of hydrogen. In the reduction, gain of hydrogen. Gain of hydrogen. Okay. See here. The third point. Loss of electron. Loss of electron also we can call as a oxidation reaction. Loss of electron in reduction, gain of electron. Next fourth point. So increase the oxidation number. Increase the oxidation number. And opposite in reduction, decrease the oxidation number. This fourth point, the difference between oxidation and reduction. The first point, gain of oxygen, oxidation, reduction, loss of oxygen. Loss of hydrogen, we can call it also oxidation reaction. In reduction, gain of hydrogen is called reduction reaction. In oxidation reaction, loss of electron is called as also oxidation reaction. And in reduction, gain of electron. Last point, increase the oxidation number is called as also oxidation reaction, and in reduction decrease the oxidation number is called also reduction reaction. So loss of electron, gain of electron, we take one example. For example, Cu2 plus means copper 2 plus, Cu2 plus, which are reacted with the magnesium, which are reacted with magnesium. Cu plus Mg plus plus, or we can call it a 2 plus. See here, Cu2 plus in reactant, in product only copper is here. What will happen? Gain of electron. What will happen? Where is the gain of electron? Gain of electron means we can call it as a reduction reaction. Mg 2 plus, magnesium carries 2 positive charge, but when if we donate 2 electron to the non-metal or another elements, to Mg 2 plus means loss of electron. Loss of electron. If loss of electron, we can call it as oxidation. Oxidation means oxidation reduction takes place simultaneously. That reaction is nothing but the redox reaction. Okay, thank you.